Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn how to show your year of birth to people you follow and who follow you back on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. This feature lets you control exactly who can see your birth year, giving you more privacy and flexibility with your profile. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side menu and click on your profile. This will take you to your personal profile page, where all your information is displayed. Now, find the Edit Profile button, usually located right below your cover photo, and click on it. This opens up a panel where you can update your name, bio, location, and more. Scroll down until you see the birth date section. Click on it. You'll notice an option to edit. Again, go ahead and click that. Here, you can update your birthday, month, and year. But the key step is setting the visibility. Next to the year, you'll see a small icon or drop-down menu for privacy settings. Click on it and select You Follow Each Other. This means only users who both follow you and whom you follow back will be able to see your year of birth on your profile. After you've set the visibility, click Save at the top right corner. If prompted, confirm your changes. That's it. Your year of birth is now visible only to mutual followers. This update gives you more control over your personal information and helps you connect with your closest contacts while keeping your details private from everyone else. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials for the latest X features and privacy tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.